Hi guys, this is Murari from Technology and Gadgets. Today we will understand top 20 tech websites which can give you updates of latest technologies and gadgets. Here are these websites. Still, it's amazing and it has lots of content about technology and gadgets. Second is nextweb.com, wired.com, tech2.com, Gizmodo, Mashable. Mashable is also popular and number one. It has amazing content. Not on the top before TechCrunch, but it has amazing content on every topic in the world. The Verge is amazing. Digital trends. Tech Radar is also amazing. Karate.com, Business Insider, MacRumors.com, Shortbeat.com, blog.playstation.com, Zone.com, Engadget/Viewer, Ubergizmo.com, Troy5, Eurogamers.net. Guys, is amazing. You can find them on Google and it's amazing. There is one more website which is also similar niche, that is LTR magazine. This website is also amazing. You can check this website. Magazine, it's the latest technical reviews which allows you to guest post for free. You can share reviews of latest technology, gadgets and everything. Guys, you can check here. Home, technology, gadgets and whatnot. Here's the article. How technology can help revive the post-pandemic banking industry. It's amazing article written by Katu. That's amazing. This website is genuine. Why? Because guest bloggers love is shared and feedback is here. You can watch their videos, feedback and all.
Hello everyone, I am Shahana from Sydney. I have been using latest technical reviews for a whole year now and I would highly recommend you all to do the same. Latest technical reviews provide you with unbiased and original content, not just from their own team but from guest bloggers. Their reviews offers the information you need to find the best of the products that you're looking for. And the most important thing of all is if you ever read an article and do not find value in that article, you're more than welcome to provide feedback for the same, and the LTR team would just put their whole work to it and to provide you with the best possible experience. Latest Technical Review is a genuine and highly reliable website and I would recommend them to all of you.
Thank you, Shahana. She's amazing guest blogger, amazing content creator. And if you want to do the same, if you want to create the content, simply come to the website latesttechnicalreviews.com. Then there are two options. You will see, if you are a new visitor, you will see two options here: register and login. Once you create your account, verify your Gmail and then log in, you will see this option, create post. Simply click on it. You will redirect to a page, guest posting for free, and here you can add title to your post. You can choose from various categories like technology, gadgets, cars, electronics, photography, travel, reviews of anything, shopping also. You can choose, suppose I'm choosing from tech reviews, technology. You can type anything, your title, then the description of your article. You can add the feature image here, then excerpt, short text. You can add star rating to your articles, and if you're very new, you can, before publishing, you must read guidelines for guest publishing, right? And after reading these, you can publish the article. You can go through the articles too. This article refers to about guidelines, that is guidelines for guest post and submission. Your article should be more than 700 words, otherwise the team of LTR will delete your article. So you should make sure that your article must be more than 700 words. You can post, if you want paid promotion, you can contact them in the contact us details. Your article should be SEO friendly. You can read all the details here, right? And you can go through the page thoroughly if you want. Don't worry guys, this is a really genuine website and you can see all the feedback here. There are many feedbacks. You can watch the videos here, right? And you can select from your all the categories: best deals, technology, reviews, business and gadgets, about. You can read their about section, testimonial, everything is there. Simply go to the website latesttechnicalreviews.com and enjoy guest posting for free. Thanks guys.